Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you all about Excel part 3. I'm going to teach you filtering. So the first thing in your mind should come that what is filtering? I'll answer your question. Filtering shows the data you wish to see while temporarily hiding the rest. By defining different filters, you can compare data in multiple ways. Thus, filter can be defined as a facility in Excel that allows a user to shift items in the list according to a set criteria. You can filter text, numbers, or dates. So now, I'll show you how do we filter. So the first thing you need to do is make a table, or you can write any data you want to filter. I'll select the data which I want to filter. I'll go to sort and filter group. I'll click on that. I'll be able to see the fourth option which is filter. Click on that. Over here you can see a down arrow. Click on that. You'll be able to see all this. Over here I'll click on select all so that everything doesn't get selected, because before that you can see there was a tick. Over here, now let's go to text filters. I'll show you begins with. I'll click on this, and now over here, if I want to see who is whose name start with A, whose name start with S, like that. So I can write it. I can check it by this. So I'll write the letter A. If I want to filter that, I'll click on OK. Over here I'll be able to see both of them whose name starts with letter A. Everything will be same, like the roll number will be same, the names of students will be same, the address will be same, the marks in Hindi and marks in English will be same. So only the Excel will just cut those names which doesn't start with letter A. Now, how do you get back to all those 5 names? Over here I can click on this, then I can click on clear filter. I've done this. Now over here this arrow is still there. If I want to remove that arrow, what will I do? I'll go again to the sort and filter group. I'll click on that. I'll click on filter, and now it has gone. Like this we filter in Excel. For more videos, be active and please subscribe my channel and click on the like button. Bye. Meet you in the next video.